When it comes to being punished and rewarded, that's different. What you did, you will see. And you will see every last detail. Even the things Allah forgave. You'll see what He forgave. You see, I did this messed up thing over here, and yeah, He forgave it. I officially got a check mark on that one too. You'll see it. And we'll see to so much detail that we find in the Quran, مَا لِهَذَا الْكِتَابِ لَا يُغَادِرُ صَغِيرَةً وَلَا كَبِيرَةً إِلَّا أَحْصَاهَا. What's wrong with this book? It doesn't leave out anything small or anything big, except it captured everything. So it implies that we will see every last detail. So this will make us appreciate the mercy and forgiveness of Allah even more. You know, if Allah forgives something, and you don't even remember you did it wrong. Like when you don't remember you did something wrong and somebody says, I forgive you for that thing you did. You say, what did I do? No thanks, I don't need your forgiveness. I didn't do anything to begin with. You understand? But if you know if you're first told this was your crime, this is what you had done, and by the way, I'm letting this one slide, this one slide, this one slide, this one slide, and this is one little tiny good deed you did, I'm multiplying this one by 700, this one by 7,000, this one by 100,000, etc., etc., etc. Now you will appreciate Allah's forgiveness, and you will appreciate Allah's mercy. Then on our bad deeds, we need Allah's forgiveness, and on our good deeds, we need Allah's mercy. You know, our bad deeds should be forgiven. And our good deeds, they are so pathetic even, that only by Allah's mercy do they actually count for something. Because even our salah is where our mind's all over the place. Our wudu, we make so many mistakes. Our hajj, we're on our cell phone. You know, we have shortcomings even in acts of ibadah. So it's Allah's mercy that compensates them, which is why we find Allah's beautiful names, Wallahu Ghafurun Rahim. One covers our sins, the other covers the compensation of our good deeds. Because our good deeds in and of themselves are worthless. But when Allah multiplies them, when Allah puts barakah in them, Ramadan is, it's Ramadan. But when He multiplies it, خَيْرٌ مِّنْ أَلْفِ شَهْرٍ, one night, that's His mercy. That's not any of our accomplishment. We could never have done 83 years consecutive of worship. That's not possible for us. 1,000 months of worship, that's not possible for us. But He multiplies it, so He gives it mercy, subhanAllah. But at least before you get rewarded for it, you will see it. You'll see the complete ledger. Which is in and of itself a terrifying thing. The previous surah mentioned, khayrul bariyah, khayr came up. Here, mithqala dharratin, khayran. Same word came up. In the previous surah Allah said, sharrul bariyah. And here, what made them sharrul bariyah? Mithqala dharratin, sharran. Don't underestimate the power of anything. The Sahaba were extremely worried about the small deeds, because they accumulate without you realizing.